All right, man. We getting there. Almost halfway there. You gotta keep pushing. You gotta keep going. All right. So
Yes, sir.
question number 4. How long does it take to receive a decision from the VA regarding disability claims?
Oh, this is $1 million question here, right? Because again, if I had a crystal ball that again on someone's claim being processed, that would definitely assist any veteran that has a claim in right now, right? So, but when we're talking about disability claims, we must understand that the average fluctuates. It's a fluctuation of average of when you're getting your process of your disability claims. However, that does not mean that that's going to particularly affect you, right? So when we're talking about that, we must understand that the VA typically looms around 115 days to 125 days, somewhere around there in regards to completing your disability claim from start to finish, and that's an average. Okay, but with that being said, that may not be your claim. I've seen claims that's in the pipeline for 3 years, and that's at the basic level. Okay, so they've got however, the VA has gotten much better processing claims, so that doesn't necessarily mean it's going to affect you. But what I will tell you is that when you submit a claim, expect to receive any type of notifications or decisions or anything of that nature around the 120-day mark. So you can give some type of cushion. Some again, like I said before, it fluctuates, right? It could be 105 days, 120 days, 115 days on average. This is a nationwide average of claims, but we must also understand that your claim may take a lot longer. But what I'll tell you is this: is that many claims are being processed at a faster rate. Definitely, if you have your supporting evidence that's needed, you're very responsive. You get everything that you need to them. Again, it still is a process, but it's a process that actually shrinks a bit, and hopefully, again, that process is shrinking a bit for you.
Absolutely, absolutely. So, in other words, Kenneth is telling you here today, don't confuse the ball head with the crystal ball, okay? We don't know exactly when you're going to receive that, but we can give you some estimated times, and this is how it typically works. And we won't go into it too much on this one right here, but this is why you want to
Yeah,
submit a fully developed claim. We have a video on that. Boom, check that out, right? So that can definitely help with your time of receiving that decision as well. So thanks
for
for
sure.
that, man.
For Of course, of course. This head may not be a crystal ball in regards to average time frames, but it has a lot more information. Okay.
Absolutely, absolutely. That works out. That works out. I got my little situation right there, man. I got the
Uh,
hat on, so it's all good. It's all
well,
good.
you know what? We'll find out when the housing market crash over there. You're gonna let us know. We got the crystal ball over there as well. So,
Absolutely, absolutely.